my name is Edward Rogerio, and this is going to be a mock lesson of two-step equations. Alright, let's move over here. So, hey, how are you doing, class?
Good.
I didn't hear you guys.
Good.
Alright, awesome. Alright, now we're going to be, today's lesson plan is about two-step equations. So, Dante, Angelica, can you read the objective for me today, please?
Students will understand two-step equations.
Dante, what are highlighted in that line over there? What is highlighted?
Two-step equations,
Awesome. Why do you think is that highlighted?
because it's the word thing.
Awesome. Good job. Angelica, Monica, can you please read the prudent behavior?
Students will be able to do two-step equations on their own.
Alright, Angelica, what is highlighted there?
Two-step equations and on their own.
Awesome. So Dante already referred on the two-step equation, it was highlighted at the beginning. But Red, what is highlighted and why do you think it's highlighted?
Because it's important that we do it on our own.
Awesome, perfect answer. Alright, so now that you guys know what we're going to be doing today in class, I'm going to do an example. When I do this example, it's going to be I do. And you have a piece of paper in front of you. Every time, whatever I write in the board, I need you guys to write it down exactly how I put it. So our first example will be 2x minus 1 equals 7. We'll put positive for now. Alright, so our first step here, step 1, we need to leave the variable by itself. So the first thing that we have to do to leave the variable by itself, we have to subtract 1 to both sides. The reason why we have to subtract 1 to both sides is because we want to leave the variable by itself, and then whatever you do to one side, you have to do to another. So this is really important. You guys have a highlighter right in front of you. I want you guys to highlight this in a box. Awesome. So now that we have that involved, we have 2x, positive 1 minus negative 1 will cancel out. Positive 7 and negative 1 will equal 6. So you guys see over here, our second step over here, make sure you guys run second step, will be to leave the variable by itself as well, but now we have an extra step that will be to divide both sides by 2. Why do we have to divide both sides by 2? Because we want to leave the variable by itself, and the only way we could do that is by dividing by 2. So right here, 2 divided by 2 will be 1. So this will cancel out, and then give you automatic 1 over here for the whole thing. Now we have 6 on top and 2 on the bottom, correct? And then if we divide that, that will equal to 3. So our solution should be x is equal to 3, and box your answer and highlight that. Highlight it. How do we know if this is correct? Well, that is for the third step over here. So step 3. Our third step right here is to check our work all the time. How do we check our work? We have to plug it into the original equation. Alright, so we have 2, x equals to 3, parentheses, 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. Alright, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is equal to 7. We add like terms. 7 is equal to 7. Correct. So that's how we know we got the right answer. Correct. Any questions so far on this? Any questions? No? Awesome. Let's move on to the one that is going to be your turn to do. This on your own. You guys are going to be able to talk to your partners, talk to your peers while we do this together, okay? So it'll be 3x plus 2 is equal to 11. So I'm going to give you 30 seconds. I'm going to time you to see what you guys do. Well, how do you guys do it? $19 seconds. And highlight your answer once you're done. Highlight it. Good job. Heads up when you guys are done, so I know when you guys are done. Pencils down. Awesome. We're still waiting for one student. Awesome. Great job. Alright, so what is our first step here?
-2.
-2. Awesome. Why?
Because you're trying to get the variable by itself.
Awesome. And then where's our next step here, Monica?
You divide by 3.
Great job. Great job. Awesome job. So we have that. Dante, is that our final answer?
No,
Why?
because you have to check it first.
Awesome. I love that. I love that. You always have to check your answer. So we have 3, parentheses 3 plus 2 is equal to 11. Is that true or false?
It's true.
True. Ding, ding, ding. 11 equals 11. And that is for today, class. That was the end of the 2-step equations today.